A very good day to Associate Professor Dr. Halikul bin Rolando. This is our project for TMF1254 Communication and Computer Network, which is designing a computer network solution for Jargon Sendirian Berhad. So these are our group members, myself, Elisa Eva Anna Winston, Nur Akila binti Johli, Sharifah Farah Shamimi binti Wan Fati, and also Siti Azahara binti Zubri. So these are our contents discussed in this presentation. We have our introduction, the network diagram, essential technical specifications, suitable location for file server and web server, how to ensure optimum performance of file and web servers, and lastly, how to implement control of Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok during office hours.
Introduction. In today's digital age, a reliable network is essential for organization. This project designs a comprehensive network solution for Jargon SDN-BHD, supporting a range of activities such as internet usage, network printers, restricted class Wi-Fi, and control access to online resources. It also includes secure local file server storage and website hosting. This project offers students practical experience in network design, hardware and software selection, and security implementation, applying theoretical knowledge in a real-world scenario. Next, we have the network diagram. As you can see here, we have the modem up here that connects the network of Office A and Office B. Each office network has its firewall connected to the modem, protecting them from any potential threats. Then the firewall connects to a router within its respective office network. For both office, we place one switch where the router connects to the switch with fiber optic. The switch then connected to all devices using Cat5e cable in different rooms, as we can see from the network layout here. Then we have the server, the web and file server. We place it on the bottom right hand side of Office A, and the reason will be explained later. There is also the wireless router connected to the switch within the meeting room and open area for mobile employees. For the Office B network, is similar to Office A, except the printer here connects to the network via Wi-Fi.
Assalamualaikum Dr. Halikul. Today I will present my part. Before that, I will introduce myself. My name is Siti Azhar Zuri from Students of Engineering. Today I will present my part, which is essential technical specification. Network component, which is I use for switch is a TP-Link TLSF 1006D 8-port fast internet, and also for the router TP-Link SafeStream ER 6020, and also for the network service I use Innovo Ting System ST5050. Why I use this switch? Because of the affordable for small office network, no phone configuration needed, support smooth data transfer. And also for the router, why I use this router is because the performance, high performance with redundancy and robust security and VPN feature, and also the manageability, flexible management option, and also the network service. Why is this network service? Because the performance, which is the performance, high performance and scalability, and also the flexibility, customizable storage and expansions, and also the manageability is advanced service management. For the transmission media cable, I use Lintec Power Pro, which is why I use this one, because compliant with internet standard, balanced performance and cost, and also flexible length for setup. The second one is fiber optic cable, which is I use the single mode fiber optic cable. Why I use this because of the high bandwidth, low signal loss, and also the minimum signal degradation of over distance. So all of the item I set for the network component and also the transmission media, we use in internet inter-office connection, which is you can see in this side.
Inter-office connection. Ensuring reliable, secure, and efficient communication within office on different floors is essential for seamless operation. We have chosen a combination of technologies to achieve this. First, fiber optic cable. Fiber optic cable offer high bandwidth and low latency, which are essential for reliable data transmission. They are immune to electromagnetic interference and eavesdropping, enhancing security. Additionally, they provide scalability and reliability, making them a future-proof choice for the network. However, there are some challenges. The initial expense is high and installation can cause disruption. Plus, the quality of signal attenuation and data transmission is depend on the quality of installation and the distance covered. Second, the TP-Link TLSF 1008D switch. This switch is cost-effective and easy to set up. It supports auto-negotiation and auto-MDI/MDIX, ensuring seamless connectivity. Its compact design and fanless operation mean it runs silently, which is great for an office environment. The primary challenge here is that it's limited to fast internet speed, 10-100 Mbps, making it unsuitable for high bandwidth application. Third, the TP-Link SafeStream router. Designed for a small to medium-sized business, this router offers high-performance feature. It supports dual WAN, but perfect over and load balancing, ensuring reliable internet connectivity. The router also has integrated VPN functionality and robust security feature to protect against unauthorized access and cyber threat. On the downside, it requires proper configuration and maintenance to ensure security, and it's not suitable for large-scale or high-bandwidth application. Fourth,
The Lenovo Think System server. This server provides high performance and scalability, perfect for demanding applications. It offers flexible storage options with RAID support, allowing for customizable storage solution. Advanced management features ensure efficient operation and enhanced security. The challenge includes the need to proper configuration and maintenance to ensure reliability, and it may not be suitable for small-scale or low-bandwidth applications. Finally, we have the Printer Power Protect RA. This cable is cost-effective and widely used. It supports fast Ethernet speed than 100 Mbps and is available in various lanes, allowing for flexible network setup. However, like the switch, it is limited to fast Ethernet speed and may not be suitable for high bandwidth applications. And the single-mode fiber optic cable. This cable provides high speed and wide bandwidth capabilities. It offers low signal loss and reliable data transmission over a long distance with immunity to electromagnetic interference and eavesdropping. The challenge here includes the initial expand and installation disruption, as well as signal attenuation and data transmission quality being depend on the quality of the installation and coverage distance.
So let's take a look at what is the suitable location to locate both file server and web servers. So first of all, a file server is a computer that stores data files centrally. It allows multiple computers or devices on a network to access and share those files. File servers also provide storage capacity to devices that may have limited or no storage space of their own. And essentially, a file server manages and controls access to data files for all the connected devices on a network. Hence why we choose Office A to place the file server, since more workers are situated here, so the activities are more on this office. So these are the reasons why the file server should be in the location. First is due to accessibility and maintenance. Centralizing the web server in Office A makes it easier to update and maintain the website. And web developers and administrators can directly access the server, and this allows for quick content updates, software upgrades, and also problem solving. And there should be enough room for the server racks, cable organization, and other equipment needed to support the servers. Secondly is due to network connectivity. File servers need fast and dependable network connections to allow quick file transfers and access. So the location should have a strong network setup, including multiple internet connections and extremely high-speed Ethernet, and proper security measures in place. Next is the web server. It is a computer that stores website files and provides them to web browsers when requested. It is also a system that handles requests for web pages and website content over the internet or a network. It delivers the requested web pages and associated files to the user's web browser, and it is also the main component responsible for serving and managing websites and web applications. And we also choose Office A to place the web server. So this is due to, first, its redundancy and disaster recovery. Web servers should be hosted in an environment that provides redundancy and disaster recovery measures, such as failover clusters, backup systems, and geographically distributed data centers or cloud regions. Secondly is dedicated data center or colocation facility. Web servers are frequently located in specialized data centers or colocation facilities built for hosting and managing computer systems. And these facilities usually have strong physical security, backup power sources, efficient cooling systems, and extremely fast network connections. So how do we ensure the optimum performance of file and web servers? So first is to enable caching. It increases server speed, reduces site load time. It applies to both file and web servers, and it also saves time by using process results instead of refetching and reassembling files for each visitor. Secondly is to optimize server performance using monitoring tools. Regularly monitor server performance data, and we should be able to identify bottlenecks and improvement opportunities. And we can also track CPU consumptions, memory utilization, disk I/O, input-output, and network traffic. And then we should perform regular administrative practices, such as conducting regular maintenance, and also implement load balancing to distribute file requests across multiple servers and preventing single server overload. Lastly is holistic server optimization strategy by combining server tuning, load balancing, caching, performance monitoring, database optimization, regular maintenance, and scalability planning. And it also enhances data access speeds, boost productivity, and maintain efficient, responsive server infrastructure. So how the control of Facebook and Instagram and TikTok access during office hours shall be implemented? Firstly is by implementing a role-based access control, or RBAC, which restricts network access based on job roles, allows granular control over user permissions, and it also defines different roles such as administrator or specialized users or end users, and assigns the access privileges accordingly. And lastly, ensures employees access only necessary information and resources. Secondly is to implement time-based restrictions by configuring web filtering solutions to set access rules based on time schedules, and also block access to specific website categories during office hours, and also allowing access during lunch breaks or after office hours. Thirdly is to categorize website domains. We can use web filtering software to categorize website domains into groups like social media, entertainment, and productivity, and also to ensure proper categorization of social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And lastly is to provide user awareness and communication. So we should clearly communicate access policies and their rationale to the users, and offer training or guidance on acceptable internet and social media use. And lastly, ensure users that they understand the reasons behind why there are restrictions and potential consequences of violations.
Finally, for the conclusion, in designing a comprehensive network solution for this company, we have focused on ensuring reliability, security, and efficiency across their multiple office floors. By carefully selecting essential network components such as the switch, router, and the server that we recommended, we provide a robust infrastructure that meets the company requirements for high performance, scalability, and ease of management. That's all from us. Thank you.